Hello, YouTube land, and welcome to another edition of the Crypto Mamma Mia. Today is January 26th, 2022. Boy, I tell you, the year is just flying by, isn't it? So, what am I talking about today, ladies and gents? I'm talking about why crypto, why now, why at all. For those of you new to crypto or are just hearing about this thing called Bitcoin or whatever the case may be, you know, I'm here to educate you because this channel is all about education, right? Not your financial advisor. Go read my disclaimer and always do your own research. And for the love of all that's good, watch the latest and greatest, ladies and gents. So, what am I talking about today? I am talking about inflation and why Bitcoin, why now, why not? So, let me just give you a little history before we continue on. So if you are unaware, in the United States, the inflation rate is now at the highest it's ever been since 1982. That's right, ladies and gents, you read that correctly, 1982. So it's pretty high. It's at 7%. Well, it accelerated to 7% in December of 2021. So what does that mean exactly? So remember that bread that cost you maybe $2 a year ago, that loaf of bread? Well, it's probably at least three or four. Where I live, gas last year was in the $2 range per gallon, and now I'll be lucky if I find any gas in the high $3 range. So but ask me if people's paychecks have gone up. No, they have not. They have not. So if you're just holding on to cash, and don't get me wrong, I mean, crypto and other assets, they go up and down, they do. But if you're just holding on to cash, ladies and gents, I don't know when this inflation, especially if you live in the US, anywhere in the world, I don't know when it's going to slow down. So you need to look at assets like this, where if you're not having it in Bitcoin, gold, silver, real estate, you're just having it in cash, your loaf of bread is going to cost you $6 next year. And that and your paycheck is still going to be $10 an hour. So I don't know. You tell me, ladies and gents. I mean, look, if you bought Bitcoin even just 2 days ago, you up what, 10%, or no, I'm sorry, 2% at least. On the other hand, inflation is still eating away at your paycheck, your regular paycheck. Now, I always tell you, don't invest more than you can chew off. Even my dog in the background is mad about that. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. I have been doing all kinds of things with my crypto, all kinds, but like leverage trading. You've seen my other videos, ladies and gents. I've been doing things like that. I've been holding, I've been earning interest in things like BlockFi, Celsius. I mean, you're up 1.34% in the last, what, for since yesterday. And yeah, I know, it went down from 60,000, but guess what, ladies and gents? If this inflation keeps going, it will raise the price of assets. And always be smart, take profits. That's what I do. I mean, I always take profits. When I see the Bitcoin hit 60 grand, you better believe I took some. Even if it's through a loan, like through Celsius. But anyways, you take some and then you put it back in, right? You have to learn how to leverage your crypto, your cash, and all that kind of stuff. Because look at this, ladies and gents. This is ridiculous. From this beginning of last year to now, I mean, in a year essentially, look at what has happened. Now, if you don't like crypto, look at gold and silver, look at things like real estate. Me personally, I like crypto because the ups and downs happen so fast. That's why I like leverage trading. That that's where the money is made, whether it's going up or down or sideways. You can make money, right? You can make crypto. I mean, look at Ethereum. It's already back up almost 3% from yesterday. So why crypto, ladies and gents? Why now? Why not? It's either this and other assets like this. Of course, they're not all equal, but you know, something. Or this, where your $10 an hour job will not keep up, is not keeping up. I know if you're watching this, you know as well as I know it's not keeping up. So that's the video for today, ladies and gents. I just wanted to make it a quick dose of reality on why Bitcoin, why now, why not, really. I mean, what other alternatives do you have, really? Holding it in cash, I mean, sure, you always need some cash, but if you have a little cash to play with, it's either just let it get eaten away by inflation, where your gallon of gas is going to pretty soon cost you $6 a gallon, and you're still going to get $10 an hour at your job, or take maybe $1 out of your $10 an hour job and put it into Bitcoin, especially when it's dipping, right? Because look, it's already going back up. So if you bought any at this point right here, which that looks like maybe the 33,000 mark, which I did buy some and I did trade that. Shorts, baby, shorts. Of course, not financial advice, but just saying, you would have gained. You would have gained some back. You would have gained some already from yesterday. So there you go, ladies and gents. That's my video for today. Just be careful with whatever you do. Make sure you have calculated risks and you've analyzed your own whatever you're analyzing. But remember, don't get into an analysis paralysis either. You know, at some point you're gonna have to take chances. Otherwise, your $10 an hour is not gonna keep up with your ever rising rent, mortgage, car expenses, whatever. So at some point you have to just jump in, but jump in educated. Don't just jump in all willy-nilly, right? But yes, anyways, ladies and gents, that's the video for today. I hope that you're having a great day or night wherever you are. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy. Please stay sane. Most important of all. And I will see you at the next video. Adios.